Here we are getting ready to shell the purple hull peas in a little different manner than we used to with the drill.
We used to have that junior pea sheller that we would put inside the drill to keep from having to crank it by hand. I'll never forget Angela and Blake coming up here and Angela doing it for the first time. She was having such fun. She'd feed them in one at a time and go, ah! Because she would think it was going to pull her hands into it. We sent that video to Frenchie. So Angela, this is for you. This is a little bit quicker. I'll load this up here. Hopefully we don't have mechanical issues right now while we're trying to video. But we'll put a little water on them. For some reason it pulls them through the sheller better when they're a little bit damp. So you got these two rollers, kind of like the old thing your grandma used to crank on the back of the washing machine to run the water out, or the guys at the gas station who would run the rags through there when they cleaned off the windshield on your car. Most of y'all are probably too young to remember that, but there is a safety plate that goes across here that I took off, so I'm cheating. I don't recommend you do it that way, but it's gonna get kind of loud, but just watch. I'm gonna run through here, the hulls are gonna come out this way and fall on the ground, and the peas are gonna fall in this little trough right there, and this little plastic bucket's gonna catch them down at the bottom. So this is what Sharon and I picked this morning. Let's see how much we get out of it. A little faster. Every now and then they get in there sideways. You get a fat one that'll jam on it. You just have to pull them through. Usually when the machine is quiet, that means everything's going well. When one gets hung up, it starts squealing. A lot faster than one at a time.
Down to the last few.
The itty bitty skinny ones always end up last. That's what we got. Fruit of our labors. Probably about 5 pounds.